Hello Yatris, welcome back to our Yatri Cloud. I'm Yatharth Chauhan, 2x GCP certified. So here is the GCP Yatri where we are help out to you get certified together. Now recently Google opened their own campus in Bengaluru, the recently called Ananta. So welcome to Ananta, Google India's new campus in Bengaluru. So now today you have a chance to at least be there in the new campus via our next opportunity, which I'm going to just showcase you today. The 50% GCP voucher, you can just crack it and you maybe apply for the cloud and DevOps role or any machine learning role. So it would be totally benefit now as Google opening their multiple job hiring. So as you can see, this is the new campus of Google. So just nearby from my town. So recently I go through it once, so it's amazing. So before going to the delay, let's go to our certification exam. So let's say I'm go with the professional cloud architect. You can select any certification exams, but for reference I'm go through it once. So professional cloud architect. So for that I'm just go to the register, and inside the registration just you need a one WebSR account and just the create one if you don't have any, or if you have just sign in with your account. So this is my account, as you can see. So after the login you will be look something like a dashboard. Inside the dashboard you can just go to your Access WebSR account, go to left side, and here you can see the schedule and exam. So inside the schedule and exam you can see the basic information which you need to take care, and when you are going to check it out the bottom up Access WebSR, just click on it. You will be redirecting into the schedulation page of the Google. So just wait a few seconds and you can redirect it into the new websr.com website where we are going to register the exam. So now you can see, so if you want to go for the English language, so go through the first, either they have a different language option. So you just click on the first and scroll down. If you want to check it out anything, just go through it once. And the first one you can see, this is the actually free, so let's check it out once. All right, and when we're going to scroll down and let me select any one, for example now let's go through our professional cloud architect one. So click here, and here you can see this is the price $200. So this is for online one and one of the remote one of the on-site one. So you can choose the remotely. If you have a good Wi-Fi connectivity and a good space, you can go to it once. So let's click on the buy now. So now you will be redirecting into your time zone. So just select anyone as per your choice. Randomly I'm select one. Click on schedule. Just acknowledge your terms and condition. Just process it, and then just let me here process to payment. So when you are going click on the process to payment, you will be going into the voucher box, right? So let's click on the process to payment. So after the loading the page, let me here okay, scroll down, you can see the coupon and voucher code. So here you can see the price $141. So we will give you the 50% coupon voucher that is from Google itself. So this is from Google, as I'm telling you the voucher code right now. So here is the voucher code, as you can see, the certified today. So just apply it, and you can see the 50% is reduced now, so it will be around $70. So this is the price, the final one you need to pay for one certification. So you can give it to any exam as mentioned and the past one. So you can select anyone and just submit your order. That's it. So this is a very small process, but this is a very benefit if you are going with any cloud and DevOps role, in specific Google. So it would be really helpful to you, and just join us on the GCP Yatri to get more resources and more further question answers, so we can share with you and we give you the best of luck to all of you Yatris to become a Google certified. So just subscribe now and just hit like button to get more opportunities, and yeah, just follow me on LinkedIn and see you soon. Bye bye.